Hey guys, welcome back to landdhome. In today's video, we are going to be testing some TikTok hacks that I found as I was sitting on the couch mindlessly scrolling through the magic that is TikTok. So let's go ahead and get started. This first one is probably a no-brainer, but it is to use dryer sheets to get the dust off of things before you clean them. Now, I have heard over and over again to actually dust your baseboards with dryer sheets, but I will be honest, I only tried it once or twice, and I didn't really take it from there. It did work well on the bathroom, but I actually really loved it for furniture surfaces. This is in my dressing room, and this shoe rack that I have gets extremely dusty. And when I go in with the rag, it just never seems to work. But this dryer sheet worked super well, and the dryer sheet really clings to all of the dust. So I highly recommend this one. This next one is my favorite of the entire video. Highly recommend. I will be using it all the time, and that is to make your own Febreze. You're going to need a cup of fabric softener, a third cup of rubbing alcohol, and then just water to fill up the rest. Now, common sense would tell you to pick a scent of fabric softener you really love, but I'm not a person that uses fabric softener, so to test this, I just used one that I've had on hand for like ever, and as I was spraying it all over my house, I realized I hate this scent. And when I tell you this hack works really well because the scent lingers forever. So just make sure that you pick a scent that you really, really love, and you don't pick a scent that you're just okay with, or maybe don't test this just using something you have laying around the house like I did. So I went to Walmart later on for some other things, and I found this scent, and I am in love with it. I will be using this all of the time. This bottle was about $4. I sprayed my entire house down and still have half of a bottle of this homemade Febreze left. So this is super cost effective. Everyone should do this. This next one is to get all of the dirt and grime out of your spoons, supposedly. So I microwaved hot water for about 2 minutes, put in some Dawn, and I let this sit for about 10 minutes, and literally nothing happened. So I got some more hot water, microwaved it the second time for 4 minutes, so it was super hot. And again, nothing. So I don't know if this hack is good or bad. Maybe my spoons are just not that dirty because I do put them in the dishwasher, even though I'm not supposed to. But I don't know that I can recommend this one. I wasted a lot of Dawn for absolutely no reason. We are staying in the kitchen for this next one, and that is to put foil in your dishwasher. And this is supposed to help your glass and your silverware shine. I put it in the top rack because while I was supposed to put it in the utensil container and didn't, I messed up. So I did try this actually twice. The first time, I didn't really think it did anything. I was also hoping that it would help my Tupperware, but that's not what the hack was for, and it didn't really work. It worked well on this one, but not on the one on the bottom. So I did try it again and actually put some glass in there, and I will say it did a pretty decent job on this disgusting coffee pot that I like never fully clean. I know that's gross, but real life here. And I put it in the utensil thing the second time around. Again, this is kind of a so-so for me. We actually don't use a lot of glassware because we have kids. We use a lot of plastic. But if you use a lot of glassware, it did shine the glass up pretty nicely. But I just don't know for us in our house if it's worth the money or the time to crumple up foil every time we run a cycle. So I guess it just depends on how much glassware you actually use. Let me know down below if you've ever tried this and if it works for you. Our last TikTok hack is supposed to help you clean out your garbage disposal. You take a bunch of ice, dump it in your sink, run the disposal and the hot water. Now, the lady in the TikTok put her hands way too close to the garbage disposal for me, so I was extra. I grabbed a spoon just to be safe. I can't say that I really recommend this one. Maybe my garbage disposal is just not that dirty because I sometimes use those little cleaner things you get from the store, but I didn't notice a difference in smell, and I didn't note anything coming out of the disposal. Maybe I didn't use enough ice, I'm not sure, but it was a waste of ice from my ice maker, and I just can't recommend this one. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Let us know down below which hack was your favorite and which one you're gonna try. Make sure you check out the video and the playlist on the screen, and smash that subscribe button so you can become part of our YouTube family. Bye.